Hello guys, on this video we're gonna replace ignition leads for Ford Ka 2005. So if your engine looks like that, so you're gonna be fine with watching that video and following. So these are the old ignition leads. As you can see, there's a Ford brand mark over there, so they are from the factories. So what we're gonna do, we have the new one from the Lexmark. We're gonna use them. So let's take them off. So shortest one, go to the number 4 on the cylinder, just underneath of the ignition coil. So number 3 over there, and number 2, number 1. So in that case, that one goes to number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. So let's start from the okay, we're gonna remove them before we use. There you go. So this one go to the number 4. You can hear the vacuum sound when you connect it successfully. So number 4, that one number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and number 4, this one. Okay, so let's put the other one. Which one is shorter? So, that one shorter. Let's use this one. So this one for number 3. Bottom one on the left side on the ignition coil. This is the number 3. And this is number 2. And number 2 on the right side, bottom one. And the last one for number 1, first cylinder. So this one goes dash, the first one on the left. So all done. Let's put the battery heads, then let's try to run it. tie them up a little bit. As you can see, zero issue. Alright guys, thank you for watching. On the next video we're gonna clean the throttle body. So let's see you on the next video.